Do you ever get that mascara line under your eyes that you just can't get off? These are perfect for that. All you do is put some toner on and rub it under your eyes, and that mascara comes right off. Look at these awesome organic cotton pads that I got on Amazon, and I'd like to thank the brand for sending them to me for free. I'm so glad they did. Since completing chemo and radiation, I only use organic cotton products, and I was so happy to get these. And these can be part of your Korean skincare routine too. I wanted to show you what they look like because they have little dots on them to help scrub the skin, which is great if you wear makeup and you need to scrub the mascara off your eyelids or something like that. Here's what one looks like, and it's super soft and absorbent, and it really gets the makeup off well. There's 120 pads in this box, so it should be enough to last you for a month or two, depending on how often you wash your face. And it has a little opening right here where you can open the box and take one out without having to open the lid, so that's fun. I'm just gonna show you how absorbent they are. Look at that. It absorbed the whole thing. Now I have makeup on and I have somewhere to go today, but I'm going to show you on my neck how soft and smooth these are. Look, I even pulled some makeup from my neck that had come from my chin. So you can tell that they clean really well. In fact, I usually use these, but these are 10 times better and get off twice as much makeup. These are great little makeup removing pads or just for toner to put on your face. I love them and I know you will too. Go grab yours today.